Did you know that by mixing whey protein with this additional supplement, you can improve your gains? Stay tuned to learn why, how to combine them and more. What is whey protein? Whey protein is a high-quality protein derived from milk during the cheese-making process. It is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. These amino acids are crucial for various bodily functions, particularly muscle repair and growth. Whey protein is popular among athletes and fitness enthusiasts due to its rapid absorption and effectiveness in promoting muscle protein synthesis. There are 3 main types of whey protein: concentrate, isolate, and hydrolysate. Whey protein concentrate is the most common and contains some lactose and fat. Whey protein isolate is processed to remove most of the lactose and fat, making it a purer form of protein. Whey protein hydrolysate is pre-digested, allowing for even faster absorption. Each type offers unique benefits, making whey protein versatile and suitable for various dietary needs and fitness goals. What is muscle protein synthesis? Muscle protein synthesis, or MPS, is the process by which the body repairs and builds muscle tissue. When you consume protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, which are then used to repair and build new muscle fibers. This process is particularly important after exercise, as physical activity causes muscle damage that needs to be repaired for growth and recovery. MPS is a crucial component of muscle hypertrophy, or muscle growth. It's principally stimulated by resistance training and protein intake, especially high-quality proteins like whey, which are rich in essential amino acids. Leucine, an essential amino acid found in whey protein, plays a significant role in triggering MPS. By ensuring a sufficient intake of high-quality protein, you can optimize MPS, leading to improved muscle mass and strength over time. What is connective tissue protein synthesis? Connective tissue protein synthesis involves the production and repair of the proteins that make up your body's connective tissues, including tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. These tissues are essential for providing structural support, stability, and flexibility to your muscles and joints. Collagen is the primary protein in connective tissue. It provides strength and elasticity, allowing tissues to withstand the stresses of movement and exercise. Like muscle protein synthesis, connective tissue protein synthesis requires a supply of amino acids, particularly those found in collagen, such as glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. Adequate synthesis of connective tissue proteins ensures that your joints and tendons remain healthy and resilient, reducing the risk of injury and enhancing overall physical performance. Why it's important to build both muscle and connective tissue. Building both muscle and connective tissue is essential for overall strength, performance, and injury prevention. While muscle growth enhances your physical capabilities and appearance, strong connective tissues provide the support and stability needed to perform exercises safely and effectively. Neglecting connective tissue health can lead to imbalances and weaknesses, increasing the risk of injuries such as tendinitis and ligament sprains. By focusing on both muscle and connective tissue development, you create a balanced and robust musculoskeletal system. This holistic approach ensures that your body can handle the demands of training, leading to improved performance, quicker recovery, and a reduced risk of injuries. What happens when using whey protein? When you consume whey protein, it is quickly digested and absorbed into your bloodstream. The amino acids from the whey protein are then transported to your muscles, where they play a crucial role in muscle protein synthesis. This process helps repair and rebuild muscle fibers that have been damaged during exercise, promoting muscle growth and strength gains. Whey protein is particularly effective because it contains a high concentration of branched-chain amino acids, known as BCAAs, including leucine, which is a key trigger for muscle protein synthesis. Leucine activates the mTOR pathway, a critical regulator of muscle growth. By stimulating this pathway, whey protein helps initiate the repair and rebuilding process more effectively than other protein sources. Additionally, whey protein can enhance muscle recovery by reducing muscle soreness and fatigue. Its rapid absorption means that the amino acids are quickly available to the muscles, speeding up the recovery process and allowing you to train more frequently and intensely. What is collagen? Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, comprising about 30% of its total protein content. It is the primary structural component of connective tissues, including skin, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Collagen provides tensile strength, elasticity, and support, allowing tissues to withstand physical stress and strain. Collagen synthesis is essential for maintaining the health and integrity of connective tissues. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to weaker and less elastic tissues. This decline can contribute to joint pain, decreased mobility, and a higher risk of injuries. By supporting collagen synthesis through diet and supplementation, you can help maintain the strength and resilience of your connective tissues, promoting better overall joint health and physical performance. What is glycine? Glycine is a non-essential amino acid that plays several vital roles in the body. It is a major component of collagen, contributing to the strength and flexibility of connective tissues. Glycine also has several other functions, including acting as a neurotransmitter in the central nervous system and supporting the production of other important compounds like glutathione and creatine. In terms of exercise and recovery, glycine helps improve sleep quality, reduce inflammation, and enhance muscle repair. Its anti-inflammatory properties can aid in the recovery process, reducing muscle soreness and promoting quicker healing after intense workouts. Additionally, glycine's role in neurotransmission can support mental focus and cognitive function, which are important for maintaining motivation and performance during training. Can glycine spare muscle? Yes, glycine can play a role in sparing muscle tissue. During periods of calorie restriction or intense exercise, the body may break down muscle protein to use as an energy source. Glycine can help mitigate this process by supporting the production of other energy substrates and reducing the need for muscle protein breakdown. Glycine's role in collagen synthesis also indirectly supports muscle preservation. Healthy connective tissues allow for better muscle function and reduce the risk of injuries, which can otherwise lead to muscle loss. By maintaining strong and resilient connective tissues, glycine helps create a supportive environment for muscle growth and preservation. Can glycine help muscle synthesis? While glycine is not a primary driver of muscle protein synthesis like leucine, it still plays a supportive role. Glycine's involvement in collagen production contributes to the overall structural integrity and function of muscles and joints. Healthy connective tissues provide a stable foundation for muscle growth and performance. Moreover, glycine's anti-inflammatory and recovery-enhancing properties support the overall environment needed for muscle synthesis. By reducing inflammation and promoting quicker recovery, glycine helps create favorable conditions for muscle repair and growth. Its role in improving sleep quality also ensures that the body has adequate rest, which is crucial for effective muscle synthesis and recovery. Why we should mix both whey protein and collagen. Combining whey protein and collagen in your diet or supplementation regimen can provide comprehensive benefits for both muscle and connective tissue health. Whey protein is excellent for stimulating muscle protein synthesis due to its high leucine content and rapid absorption. It effectively supports muscle repair, growth, and recovery. Collagen, on the other hand, provides the specific amino acids needed for connective tissue synthesis, including glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These amino acids are not as abundant in whey protein but are crucial for maintaining the health and strength of tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. By mixing whey protein with collagen, you create a balanced protein intake that supports both muscle and connective tissue development. This combination ensures that you are not only building strong muscles but also maintaining the structural integrity of the tissues that support those muscles. The synergistic effects of whey protein and collagen can lead to better overall physical performance, reduced injury risk, and improved recovery. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, understanding how whey protein and collagen work is essential for improved muscle and connective tissue synthesis. By incorporating these tips into your routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals and enhancing your overall well-being. Integrating whey protein and collagen into your fitness and nutrition routine can significantly enhance your results. Whey protein, known for its rapid absorption and rich essential amino acid profile, excels at stimulating muscle protein synthesis. This process is vital for repairing and building muscle tissue, especially after intense workouts. On the other hand, collagen plays a crucial role in connective tissue protein synthesis, supporting the health and strength of tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Combining these two protein sources creates a balanced approach to protein intake. While whey protein efficiently promotes muscle growth and recovery, collagen provides the specific amino acids necessary for maintaining the integrity and resilience of connective tissues. This combination ensures comprehensive support for both muscle and connective tissue development, reducing the risk of injuries and enhancing overall physical performance. Glycine, a key component of collagen, adds additional benefits by improving sleep quality, reducing inflammation, and supporting muscle preservation. Its role in collagen synthesis helps create a supportive environment for muscle growth and recovery, making it an invaluable part of this protein synergy. By understanding the distinct yet complementary roles of whey protein and collagen, you can optimize your supplementation strategy to achieve better muscle and connective tissue health. This holistic approach not only improves your fitness outcomes but also supports long-term joint health and physical resilience. Incorporate both proteins into your diet to maximize your training efforts and enhance your overall well-being. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.